Hello folks, just wanted to show you my nuts and bolt collection here. These are beautiful pieces of, okay, so this one is a big bolt off a bus, I guess. And some of these are from some trucks. And this is, I guess that's from a truck. And then here's a couple of bolts that I just found laying on the ground. And then this is a nice little teeny bolt. Let's see, I guess this fits. I mean, I randomly, would be nice, would fit in there. Let's see, that's too big. That's too big. Let me see. Well, thanks for watching. You know, it's always fun to collect bits and pieces of stuff. I think now this is, you know, something I just love and cherish. And I know someday it'll be worth something. Thank you.